Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best vacuum for car detailing you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. We consider our car to be a second home because we spend so much time in it on a daily basis. The car, like our home, needs thorough cleaning. There are many decent vacuum cleaners on the market that are excellent for car detailing, but each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. So we have compiled a list of the top 3 finest vacuum cleaner for vehicle detailing that you may purchase based on your requirements. This list is based on my personal opinion and research, and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Vacmaster Pro. The Vacmaster Pro comes in at number 3 on our list. With a 5-gallon dirt tank capacity and a powerful little 5.5 HP motor, it is ideal for car cleaning due to its dirt capacity and 5.5 horsepower motor. This machine is equipped with 2 types of filter. The fine dust cartridge filter is ideal for use with dry vacuuming. The vacuum also has a foam filter on the wet side. This vacuum cleaner includes a hose with a diameter of 1-7 or 8 inches and a length of 7 feet. It also comes with an 18 feet power cord, giving it combined range of 25 feet. Pros of Vacmaster Pro: 5.5 horsepower motor, 5-gallon dirt tank, 25 feet reach. Cons of Vacmaster Pro: it's difficult to keep all of the accessories in the storage area. On number 2, BISSELL Garage Pro. The BISSELL Garage Pro has a 32 feet hose that allows it to effortlessly cover vast area. What's more surprising is that the power is consistent across the entire hose. This vacuum cleaner has a dirt capacity of 4 gallons, which is more than enough to clean your automobile. It comes with a modest set of cleaning accessories, attachments and the like that enable it to vacuum vast cleaning paths and lift debris from difficult to reach places. Pros of BISSELL Garage Pro: system for cleaning several surfaces. There are full indicators on board. Hose with a length of 32 feet. Cons of BISSELL Garage Pro: wall mounted. On number 1, THISWORX car vacuum cleaner. THISWORX car vacuum cleaner has a charger cord attached to the base that connects to your car's auxiliary power socket. This kit also contains a flexible hose nozzle, a narrow tube nozzle, a brush nozzle, a carrying or storage bag, a filter cleaning brush, and a spare HEPA filter. In addition to the vacuum machine itself, it weighs roughly 2.4 pounds and has a tank capacity of 8.0 ounces with a 16-foot cord. It is compact in size, making it easy to store, and comes with a carrying case that allows you to keep all of your accessory in one place. Pros of THISWORX car vacuum cleaner: plugs into car's power outlet, easy to clean, ergonomic design. Cons of THISWORX car vacuum cleaner: low suction power, dry vacuum only. So guys, this was the video about the best vacuum for car detailing. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.